Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Simply Kiwi. Today I'm doing some more nail art and I decided to pull out some old but good polishes that I had in my stash. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like nail art or anything nail art related, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click down below on that notifications bell so you know when I upload new content to the channel. So let's get started. Well, I hope you enjoyed this mani as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video, and remember to allow the mani to take hold and watch the magic appear.